Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's Ronits Awesome here, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. And where today this is Ronits Quest 25, and we're not gonna be going in the same world where I built my dirt house because I was stuck on an island. That world was stupid. Well, I'm just gonna create a world. Let's go in it. We're going to just get some wood and then build a house. Alright? Alright, so wait for this to load. It's just telling you about Minecraft. Like, I've been in Minecraft like 4 years ago, but I stopped playing Minecraft since when I graduated 3rd grade because I got too bored of it, and then Minecraft got a glitch. So that was a problem. So that's why I changed my mind, and I got Minecraft back since 4th grade on my 10th birthday, and then I forgot what to do because it's been some like years ago, 2 years ago. Okay, and so guys, we'll not talk about that right now. We'll just talk about this game, like like punching wood and all, getting stuff ready. Like, and once we get the wood, we just craft them into planks, and then we build a house. All right. Alright, and then now let's go to the next tree. Alright. Come on, punch, and then we're done. And then we got 15 wood. Oh yeah, there's another tree. And then we need to get at least 64 because that would be easier to build a house that way. Okay. Alright. And so guys, and if you're new to this channel, I want you to all subscribe to my channel, like the video, turn on notifications, and also leave a comment down below. Because some of the people who are watching this video may be new and they may want to see more of my videos. They can subscribe and like and turn on notifications, and also leave a comment down below. And like when they turn on notifications, and they upload a new video, they get the message, and then they watch it. Alright, I got 30 wood. That's what we need for mining. But I'm not going for mining. I'm just getting 64 wood so I can build a house. Because because this world's not peaceful. Because if this world was peaceful, then I could have gone for mining. Alright. Next tree. Alright, and then let's go to the next tree. Oh yeah, we need this, we need that. And now let's take all these wood and then build a house. We have like 44 wood. I think we're almost done. No, like we need at least, yeah, we're almost kind of done. We're like kind of almost done. Alright, let's get that wood real quick. got that wood. And now next wood. We got 50. Alright, and the next tree we have to go to. Alright. Let's get the wood. I got the wood. Alright, we need 4 more. Alright, and now let's start with a good place to build our house. This will be a good place to start. Alright, and let's get some wood. Come on. Alright. And now let's start with our build. Where am I going? Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Now let me take that wood out. And I'll continue with the build. And then why the sheep on the build. And then we'll keep on building and building unless we're... No! Oh my goodness. Here, let me help myself. I think positive. Alright. Alright, and then we'll just keep on building unless this is the last row. And then now we can start off with the roof. Come on, take the wood. Take the wood, take the wood. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, good. No! What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Come on, we're almost out of shelter. We're almost out of shelter. But not quite. We need to put our door. Otherwise the monsters could possibly get in. Right, guys? So, and now we'll just get in the house. Well, okay. So let me get a crafting table. Let's see what I can craft. What should I craft? Oh yeah, I'll craft a door. Because I need that. Boom. Good. I need a chest so I can put my stuff in there. Boom. Boom. Not now. Here, let me go inside and start my spawn point. So when I die, I can still continue. Alright, good. And now let's go craft more things what we would need. Oh yeah, of course we need a sword. What happens if we don't have a sword? We'll die. Or take that. Good. Uh-oh. It's becoming night before I know it. I need to build a floor. Quick. Come on and chill. Well, they're not going to get in here. I closed the door. And we're not totally done yet. We need some torches. We'll do that in the morning. Alright, come on, grass. Let's keep going. And then we'll keep on going and mining. And mining. Well, I cannot obviously see anything. Okay. Got my sword. Oh yeah, there you are. My friend. Prepare for death time. Oh! Whoa. Where in the heck did you even come from? Alright, witch. It's your death scene. I mean, no, it's my death scene to the witch. Oh, no. Rush! I don't have any food. Dang it. Alright, run. Daylight saving. It's a daylight saving day. Alright, let's get the food and eat quickly before we know it. Come on, eat. Alright, I'm gonna get some 8 of these cobblestone so I can make a furnace. Guess how much? I don't know, I got 3. Oh yeah, I'm done. Alright, now let's go find some coal. Whoa. That's deadly. Cannot go there. Alright, let's go to a different place and find some coal. There might be some coal around here. There should, because I should know. Because I would die if I step down there. Oh yeah, there's coal right there. Whoa, no! I died. Alright, it's good. It's good I died. Okay. And now, because we can totally finish back our house. Whoa. Oh my god. 44, yes. I don't care about the plank, I'll take it later. Come on, plank, let's go. There's no time. Or let's keep on building. We can finally bring the crafting table inside. Good. Let's go. Alright. And no, put that in. Alright. So guys, I'll be